Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. I love this. Okay, how did you do that? What did you do? Real quick. Hello and welcome. I am here with the incredible Erskine Hawkins.
I'm here.
Erskine is here, and we're gonna be having a little fun. So Erskine is an incredible gospel player. And so we're gonna be taking some songs that are not gospel songs.
Yeah. Apparently you can take almost any song and somehow give it some gospel elements from the gospel element toolbox.
Yep.
And it'll sound more gospel.
So we're gonna
try it out.
We're gonna try something. I'm gonna throw "Don't Stop Believin" at you first.
Okay.
So let's see if we can make this gospel.
This is good. This is your range,
This
right?
is feeling good. We can do this. I'm gonna sing along. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. I love this. Took the midnight train going anywhere. Okay, how did you do that? What did you do? Real quick.
So I did it's called a 2-5-1. So this is 2-5-1 to minor 6. And that's not so bad. And then we went down to the 4 chord. And then same thing, 2-5-1 to 1. So it's not too bad. There's two little steps.
Two little steps, and you've gospelified Don't Stop Believing.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay, let's do another one. Let's do Hey Jude.
That's the Beatles. Hey Jude, that is in. Okay.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make it better. Remember to let her into your heart. Then you can start to make it better. Okay, what did you do there? Oh my gosh.
Let's see. So the first thing I did this, it's like this minor 2 to 1 kind of walk. Minor 2, 1, minor 2 to 1. We're in F. Minor 2, 1, minor 2, 1. And then I just did some dominant chord walk-ups. 2-note things, Dominant walk-up stuff. That's kind of what I did. Yeah.
You made it gospel.
I guess it's kind of gospel-y. The song's actually, luckily, it's already kind of gospel-y.
You know what? It does have that sort of.
This one's got a little bit of, I mean, we add a little bit more to it, but yeah. That's Hey Jude.
I love it. Okay, one more.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw this at you.
Uh-oh.
Because it has my my hero slash. Can we gospel it by Sweet Child of Mine?
That's not the right key. It's there it is. Yeah.
Okay, here we go. She's got a smile and it seems to me reminds me of childhood memories where everything was as fresh as a bright blue sky. Now and then when I see her face, she takes me away to that special place. And if I stare too long, I probably break down and cry. Whoa, sweet child of mine. Whoa, sweet love of mine.
We threw a couple of things in there.
What did you do?
Well, I think one of the first things that I remember that I played is we did some substitution stuff. So that makes things gospel. I think at the first 2 chords we're playing a D flat major 7, then we go down to a B. But instead of going to a B, I went to a E flat in my bass. That kind of gives it a little bit of a little bit of lift and some dominant walk-up stuff. Dominant 7 walk-up stuff. What else did we do? Let's see. Thank you, Lisa. Uh-oh, don't get me to sing it. Oh, sweet child. Some just walk down. Some chromatic 6 walk down, parallel things.
Sounds so good.
So yeah, just a couple of tools out of the toolbox that make gospel music sound like gospel music. So yeah, that's what I threw. I threw a few tips in there, a few tricks in there, you know.
That's amazing. Yeah. So this was incredible to sing along with and have fun with, but we actually break this down step by step for you inside Piano. Erskine has an entire class where it'll be a slower breakdown. You can learn exactly how he's doing, what he's doing, and how you can do it too.
This course is for every person who wants to get better musically. Anything that you hear, anything that you hear music-wise can be played on that piano. There are 88 notes. 87 of them will be wrong, but there is a right one. And if I can remember, if I can hear it, I can play it. So yeah, definitely check out the course. I'm excited to be teaching gospel piano. Thank you guys so much for having me.
All right, we'll see you around.